The GtoG project is a very important project because it embodies the concept of the circular economy. The Commission looks at the construction sector in a holistic way, and we believe that some of the elements of this project could certainly be transferable to other materials. One of the issues that we have to look is at the design of the products, because through the design of the product, it will be much easier to afterwards do the recycling, to separate what can be reused from the hazardous substances that have to be eliminated. So this is an important issue. The other element, apart from the design, is pre-auditing. We need to see how the demolition is done, and the idea to have audits before it begins will help us to evaluate the composition of the materials and therefore to be more efficient in the recycling. Well, this is a very important challenge because it is true that the construction sector generates a very important amount of waste. About 1/3 of waste in Europe is linked to the construction sector. It is a big challenge because there are many different materials. You know that the European Commission has different targets for recycling in relation to the different materials. But the most important thing is also to be able to separate these different materials. And this is also a technological issue where innovation can play an important role. So if we are able to identify the different materials and also look at what is the better way to deal with them, I think we can be more efficient. Well, this is a sensible matter because you know that taxation, landfill taxes are under the responsibility of the member states. Landfilling can play an important role because it is the other side of the coin to recycling. In other words, additional restrictions to landfilling can lead to higher recycling rates. But the Commission has to be very careful in taxation matters. We prefer to look at incentives. We prefer to look at measures that can encourage, from an economic view, recycling. And I think we need also to examine the situation of landfilling and decide whether in the European Union we should also have some restrictions to landfilling, other than that which are in place now. In the package which we will adopt on the 2nd of December, this issue will be addressed.